Good morning, everyone. I, Divyam,
I Govin.
I Tanishi. I Namokshi.
I Bhavin.
from International Bharati School, studying in class 10th, are here to present our work called Zero Pure.
The first step of our innovation, which is pyrolysis, which is an effective technique to tackle with plastic waste. So basically, we burn the plastic waste in this section, and then the heat and light energy produced, which captured by the fire-resistant heating solar plate, and then this energy is converted into chemical energy and stored in capacitors, and the energy in capacitors are used for functioning of bulb placed over there, as well as functioning of street light.
Now the residue from pyrolysis reaction is collected to make eco roads. The residue is sent for washing, grinding and mixing to make more durable roads. We are using these roads because the roads are 3 times more durable than normal roads of bitumen. The new eco roads are also water and heat resistant and are long lasting and also reduce the plastic use.
We know that pyrolysis process produces a lot of harmful fumes. To solve this problem, we made an innovation zeolite carbon capture system. The first chamber is of calcium carbonate that reacts with HCl gas to form calcium chloride, and it is further used to absorb all the moisture. Then we have the activated carbon that absorbs sulfur oxides, and manganese oxide converts carbon monoxide into carbon dioxide.
Then we have the main innovative zeolite beds. Before proceeding, let's know what is zeolite first. Zeolite is metal aluminum silicate that has microporous structure and high ion exchange capacity. Zeolite absorbs carbon dioxide and make a physical bond with it. Then we use the pressure swing absorption, temperature swing absorption and vacuum swing absorption technology to release a pure CO2 stream that can be further reacted with green H2 to form methanol. That can also be converted into a useful fuel, gasoline, via the MTG reactor.
Unreacted NO2 is collected from zeolite tank and passed through sodium hydroxide and water to form nitrates that increases the growth of plants. About 42 million farmers face the problem of bad soil in India. Zeolite increases water holding capacity of soil that amends the soil texture. It increases the growth of plants. Thank you.